In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Then select Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Then, after selecting Done at the bottom, click on Create Now. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!